The Chief of Army Staff of the Indian Army, General Bipin Rawat, has said that the troops deployed along the LOC and the LAC will get the American-made Sig Sauer 716 rifles by the end of 2019. The AR-styled rifles from Sig Sauer can be categorized into three categories: the old generation Sig 516, the Sig M400, and the new generation Sig 716. The petrol version of the rifle weighs only 4.2 kilograms, which makes it very easy to carry. It has a 16-inch barrel which provides sufficient velocity for target penetration at long distances. It has a capacity of 20 rounds. One rifle will cost Rs 70,000 approximately, and the cost of the entire contract consisting 72,400 rifles is about 500 crores. The rifle is made of mainly aluminum, with the barrel and pistol made of steel. It is equipped with an adjustable stock, front and rear sights, and an ambidextrous magazine release, which means it can be easily operated by both left and right-handed individuals. The Sig 716 rifle uses the standard 7.62 by 51 mm ammo as opposed to the 5.56 by 45 mm ammo currently used in the indigenously developed INSAS rifle. One of the great features of the 6 series rifles is that they have an adjustable gas valve that can be opened to increase gas flow when ammunition or adverse conditions require additional cycling energy. Gas flow can also be reduced or shut off for use with suppressors. Now coming to the range, the Sig 716 has a range of 800 meters and it can shoot precisely up to 300 meters. Talking about reliability, the rifles from Sig Sauer are designed and tested in the harshest environments, including extreme temperatures and muddy water. The manufacturing and assembly of all the rifles will be done at the Sig Sauer plant located in New Hampshire in the United States.